Hey people of the world, this is your boy Ken Q here, and today I'm doing the hardest chicken skewer challenge. I have to eat 5 chicken skewers in just under 10 minutes. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And now, let's continue this video. Alright peeps, gonna start this another food spicy challenge. Now, starting the timer now. Oh, no. Alright guys, it's time to feel the burn. Love it. It is pretty spicy. Alright, mouth's starting to burn as usual. Not really as usual, but you know what I mean. Done heaps of spicy challenge before, so kind of used to it. Oh yeah, before I forget to say, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what I'm talking about. Like 2 minutes down. This is actually pretty spicy. And it tastes pretty good. Kind of enjoying and don't enjoy at the same time, if you know what I mean. Hands so dirty though. Yeah. Alright. Just over 4 minutes. I really think I can do this in less than 10 minutes, guys. 3 down, 2 to go. But every second is getting more painful. As usual, I'm going through this pain, so give this video a like. I would really appreciate that. Didn't really notice from all the spices. Fuck, hands and mouth so dirty, full of spice and shit or whatever. Tastes pretty good though, like I said earlier. Alright. Don't hurt quite a bit. Yeah. Just a half a skewer to go. It's only been 6.5 minutes. I can do it. And I'm haven't even drank anything yet. Not even water. Just showing how hard I am, or how hard my mouth is anyway. Oh look, I think I did it, look. And I did it in like 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Good job for me. Well anyway, if you enjoyed the video, like I said earlier, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And if you welcome, and show some love by commenting and suggesting what videos I should do next or very soon. And if you want to see a part 2 where I might, put mixed hot sauce with those skewers or whatever to make it even more spicy, leave it on the comment below. Oh yeah, let's try to catch my breath because my mouth is like flaming hot. Oh yeah. Well anyway, I think that's about it guys. So yeah, peace out. See you guys next time.